Well, good morning everybody and welcome to I Just Love Cars. Here we are at the Goodwood. Last year in 2020, obviously it didn't happen, and now in 2021 they opened it up. Today is Friday. It's an absolutely stunning, beautiful day, as you can see. So yeah, we're gonna go and obviously enjoy the show. The brand new remats. Oh, beautiful. Lots of carbon fiber. Nice car. Obviously fully electric. This is the concept. Can you start it up, mate? You have to start it up. Sorry? Wow, that's a stunning frozen blue color. Lamborghini Huracan STO. That's good looking. So guys, who's your favorite? Which is your favorite from Italian supercars? Lamborghini or Ferrari? This is nice. Very nice. Lots of cool air intakes and all that. Sorry, next one. Whoa, that's a crazy looking car. It's Lamborghini Essenza. Attention, something fast car. Look at all the aero on this. Look at that, everywhere. Damn. Gee, that looks like a McLaren Longtail. Okay, so now we come to my favorite supercar brand, none other than McLaren, and this is the 720S GT3. Now, how sick is this? Let's do a quick walk around. Yeah, I wouldn't mind calling that my office. And then you got a 765 LT. Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Oh my gosh, just love that. Look at that. Next one is a McLaren GT, which is very close to me, to my heart, I should say, because I was actually there at the launch. At the first one. So gorgeous. Alright, next one. We gotta go quickly see the Elva. Elva. This is basically your windscreen. Sick looking. Sick.
Sorry, mate.
No, that's all right. Does your shoot flames? Does it shoot flames? Does it shoot flames? Come on, prove it.
It's got 4 exhausts, of course it does.
Oh yeah, it does have 4. I didn't even realise there's 2 there. Wow.
Probably the best sounding McLaren outside of the race series.
Can you prove it to us as the best sounding McLaren? Come on. Come on. That would be nice.
We're not allowed.
Now feast your eyes on the brand new McLaren Artura. Up close and personal, charging up. Hybrid. Someone's taking a selfie. Oh, unmistakably McLaren. just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Right, so that's for McLaren. Let's look something else. This is the brand new 2021 Maserati MC20. Just feast your eyes on the carbon fiber. Right? Yeah, yeah. Oops. Nice. I just bumped my a brand new Chiron, pure sport. Looking good. Hey, we got an American car, which is a brand new Chevy Corvette. That looks good. I wish they started selling them in the UK, because you get a lot for your money. It's not that expensive actually. So let's have a quick run around of the Ferrari. A brand new Roma. Even the background is just nice. One lovely silhouette. Right, that's gorgeous Roma. Portofino M. That's nice. Very nice. Ferrari are very protected. They do not let people go around their cars. Not like other companies. Oop. And they got this beautiful F8 Tributo. Looking good. Looking very good. F8 Spider. My gosh, that yellow is bright. Like a sunshine bright. Shine bright like a diamond. 812 GTS. Now that is nice. That's a very nice 812. Somebody needs a paint correction. My gosh, it's really bad. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, that's nice. SF90 Stradale. Very nice looking. Oh, look at that. SF90 Spider. Are they driving out? And the Monza SP2. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. That is sick. Can I come closer? Let's go closer.
10 grand is the reserve.
Beautiful. What a beauty. As we're here. Look at that. Wow, hello Aston Martin. You've done a beautiful job. Look at that color. It's like a frozen green. Oh wow. An F1 edition. Yes, please. Stunning. Stunning. Oh, that's a nice color. But this green here, that is some color. The F1 as well. That's the driver. Stunning car. Wow. DBX. beautiful car, isn't it? The new Polestar Precept Our Vision. Looks alright. So let me do a really quick video about an electric car. I mean, this is the brand new Hyundai Ioniq 5, right? And one thing I just don't get it. I mean, if you do make an electric car, which is fair enough, but do you really think this is gonna age well? It just looks, I'm sorry, very, very cheap crap looking. And then again, wheels. Why do they feel the need to be making everything different just because it's an electric car? I don't get it. Okay, I agree with this, which is obviously like a solar panel roof, but they could have made one big screen. No, they made it like two split. I don't like it. I mean, you're making, look, all these like, yeah, I know it's electric car, but you don't have to be so different. I don't know. I mean, okay, this is awesome. Look at that. I mean, look at the wheels. Damn, that is gorgeous. Okay. This has got to be the sexiest car of the show. Damn. This one. Made those wheels. So let's step into this beautiful Pininfarina. I can barely fit in it. Damn, that is small. Does it suit me? Not bad. Not too shabby. Batista. You've done a cool job, man.
It's a cool piece of art.
It is a piece of art. I love the wheels. Please make them.
The Impulso.
Can you tell me one thing? Do not paint them black, please. Every car manufacturer going black wheels. No, shut up. Go back to the normal.
It's an option that is available as well. So it's
look at that
for customers that wants them. So you can paint also in other colors actually.
No,
yeah,
gorgeous.
For example, if you want, you can paint it also in blue with this blue here.
Okay.
That is the signature blue of Pininfarina. Of the Pininfarina, it's called the Iconica blue. And if you want, you can also have these precision rims with that finishing.
So what's the horsepower?
So 1,900 horsepower overall.
That's enough.
1,400 kilowatts is the equivalent.
Yeah.
Overall, we also have 2,300 Newton meters of torque.
Looks good.
And 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds.
Good. Everyone's going the same direction, aren't they? Less than 2 seconds. Looks good, looks good.
Yeah, because it's impressive. So
yeah.
It's really impressive, that acceleration.
Cool, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Hey, this is the brand new BMW iX. Fully electric. Let's see what it got to offer inside. Well, oh, that's a weird door handle. So unless you put your hand underneath it and open it that way. Okay. Big screen, split in half. Minimalistic, but still got a lot going on. That's not too shabby, not too bad. Let's quickly pop around to the back of it. Oh, I do like the back. Oh, very nice. Born electric. Fun. So that's the boot size. I really dislike this part. Oh. What the heck is this? Come on, let's go have a look. Obviously something electric, because all cars here are electric. Right. Okay. Looks interesting. Yeah, go on.
I know.
Okay. Enough for your shopping. So who makes this? Who makes this? Is it?
Yeah.
You want Ego?
Yeah, that's what the company is called. It's a brand new startup.
Okay. And how much are they gonna go for?
£20,000.
£20,000.
Which is amazing compared to the competition.
Wow. Okay, but
But what?
how fast is it?
Sorry?
How fast is it?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. And what's the range?
The range, they say 175, but let's say 80 to 100 miles assured.
How long does it take to charge?
4.5 hours. You know, it's a
For full
city car,
charge.
so you,
Yeah.
you put it in at night, you plug it in,
Yeah.
and you got yourself good to go in the morning.
There you go. So if you guys want a quick mobile phone with the boat sticking out like that, go for it. It looks nice. It looks funky.
It looks fancy, and
It is a funky looking thing, honestly. I was also just told that this is actually fully plastic car. So it's a plastic car, so you can scratch as much as you want. It won't scratch. That's a very good car for sloppy people. So let me show you very quickly a few more other cars. This is a brand new Kia EV6. It's okay, it's not too bad looking. It really isn't. Then you go to the brand new Audi RS e-tron GT, which I do like it. I just don't like the taillights. They're so big and huge and bulky. ID3. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Angela.
Oh.
I can read. You got obviously ID3. I'm starting to see more and more of these. So I mean the Audi e-tron GT. If only they were only half of it. I really dislike the lights. That's actually quite cool. Can you press the brake for me, please? If it's functional. Let's see. Oh, not too bad. Thank you. So all that aisle and back there, they're all electric cars here. And there's more people at the electric cars than at the supercar stands. Obviously, you got the Porsche Taycan. You got this beautiful, tiny, gorgeous Honda, which needs a very good clean. Honda E. I like it. Would I buy it? No. Nissan. Nothing too special. You got the new Mazda electric. Not too shabby looking. Not too shabby. Looking alright. MG. It looks like a freaking Soviet Union type of a car. Jesus Christ, it looks so old even though it's new. And you got a brand new Ford Mustang Mach-E. Then you got this, Renault Twingo. Oh, Zoe. And obviously got that. This is the new Lotus prototype. Oh, yes. And we got that. Well, folks, this is the first time you see my face today, isn't it? Well, second time. Anyway, oh gosh, it's been really, really warm, quite humid outside, but I cannot complain. It's been an amazing time so far. So to kind of finish it off, I want to show you something. So these are the old American cars. And when you look at it, you're like, what were they thinking? I mean, it's as big as a freaking boat. I mean, the bumpers, I bet you it's proper stainless steel, you know what I mean? And it's so true when they say they don't make them like that anymore. But what were they thinking when they made these cars? Did they just, I mean, probably those days there were no rules, were there? I mean, they could have just made anything they imagined. And when you look at it, the more you look at it, I mean, it's quite nice lines, everything on there. Some quite cool cars, man. The good old classic American cars. I mean, there's another one, a two-door coupe. Jesus Christ. Cadillac grills. Okay, we're not gonna go into that, no chance. I mean, look at this. That's a beautiful two-door coupe as well. 1953 Buick Skylark convertible. Oh, come on, that is sexy as hell. It's weird, those days was everything was bigger, better. Now it's just compact. Everything's just smaller, compact, isn't it? So that's about it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching my channel. Please click that like and subscribe button, and I shall see you very, very soon.